Welcome to Mindful Trading. Today we're going to learn how to set alerts. Okay, so you'll notice that we're on our EUR USD chart again, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. And we're going to look back and notice some of the lines that we drew in our last session. We talked about sweeps. So these are areas that have a long wick at the top. They're near a resistance or support zone, and it's an area that price is likely to come back to. So last time we put a purple line here, and we also marked a purple line here, right there on our charts. So we can see that price did revisit these areas. I think we put one right here, and we can see that price came back and swept this area there just a little bit and then went down, and it even came back later on a couple of days later and swept again. Okay, so I'm looking a few hours later, and I can see that EUR USD price has crossed over our support and resistance zone here. I can notice that there is a break occurring, and what I would do now is wait for a retest. So I could use my little path tool up here to help me remember what I am waiting for. I think that it could come down here, so we've broken through our area of support, and it's possible that it may retest, so break and retest back up here, and this support turns into resistance, and then it may continue down from there. So we'll see if that happens, and we'll wait a while. And what we've done is already we set an alert here, and that's what let me know that we had crossed into this zone of support. And so what I could also do is check in a couple of more hours to see if we have retested this area. I could also put another alert here. I could put an alert maybe around here. What I could do is go down to a 15-minute time frame to give me a better idea of what I'm looking for. So it's possible that price could come back up here toward this area that we have marked. So what I'll do is right-click and add an alert, and I'm looking for a retest of the zone. All right, and there we go. And then when I hover over my alert line, it'll tell me and remind me what I'm looking for, a retest of this zone. Okay, so we'll take a look at this area that we were watching yesterday. We can see that price eventually engulfed this black candle. However, it took 3 candles for it to do so, and also these lines, or these little wicks that are coming off of the candles here, are pushing up away from this zone. So this would have given us some indication that to the downside was probably not what was going to be happening. And so if we had waited, and if we were awake at 4 a.m. in the morning, we can look down here and see this happened at 4 a.m. Or at 3 a.m. this candle was formed that engulfed the candle before. So if we'd been awake at 3 a.m. and seen the engulfing candle, then we could have taken a buy at 4 a.m. So it's a good idea to take a screenshot of this price action and add some notes and labels, because we know that price often repeats itself, and as we start to study more and become more familiar with these patterns, then we will be better able to determine whether to take a buy or a sell in the future, okay, because we have seen it so many times. All right, continue to study, and we look forward to seeing you next time. If you found value from this video, please remember to like and subscribe.